Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back with you guys, doing what I love, chatting all things beauty and fashion. Today, I'm excited to share some top beauty and fashion hacks that every girl should know. These are my tried and true tips and tricks that I use all the time to make my life easier and look and feel my best. So grab a cuppa or your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's be real, mornings can be super hectic. Who actually has time for a full face of makeup when you're rushing out the door? Not me, that's for sure. So my first hack is all about simplifying your morning makeup routine. Instead of trying to do a full face, focus on just a few key areas to brighten up your eyes and even out your skin tone. First up, concealer is your best friend. A little dab under your eyes can work wonders to hide any dark circles and make you look instantly more awake. Next, grab your favorite mascara. A few coats can really open up your eyes and make them look wider and brighter. Don't forget your brows. They frame your face, so give them a quick brush and fill in any sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder. For a little flush of color on your cheeks, a cream blush is quick and easy to apply, and it blends in seamlessly for a natural-looking glow. And finally, no simplified makeup routine is complete without a touch of lip color. A tinted lip balm or a sheer lipstick can add a touch of polish to your look without being too over the top. I'm currently obsessed with the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. It gives my lips a sheer wash of color and keeps them hydrated all day long. Next up, let's talk about transitioning your look from day to night. Sometimes you don't have time to go home for a full outfit change, so I'm going to share a quick tip to take your look from desk to dinner in a flash. My favorite way to elevate a daytime outfit for a night out is to add a statement piece of jewelry. A bold necklace, some sparkly earrings, or a stack of bracelets can instantly dress up a simple outfit. Another great way to transition your look is to swap out your handbag. If you carry a larger tote bag during the day, try switching to a smaller clutch or crossbody bag for the evening. If you want to add a touch of glam, a pop of lipstick can make all the difference. A classic red lip is always a good idea for a night out. And finally, don't underestimate the power of a good hairstyle. If you've been wearing your hair down all day, try putting it up in a sleek bun or ponytail for the evening. Remember, transitioning your look from day to night is all about making small changes that make a big impact. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there. You're getting ready for a big event, and disaster strikes. A button pops off your shirt, you get a snag in your tights, or your zipper breaks. Don't panic. Instead of letting a fashion emergency ruin your day, I'm going to share some quick and easy fixes using common household items. First up, let's talk about a broken zipper. Grab a graphite pencil, rub the pencil tip along the teeth of the zipper, and then gently try zipping it up. Next, if you get a snag in your tights, clear nail polish is your new best friend. Simply apply a small amount of clear nail polish to the snag to stop it from running. And what about deodorant marks? Simply rub the deodorant mark with a dryer sheet to remove it. Another fashion emergency that we've all experienced is a stain. If you're out and about, try blotting the stain with a damp cloth or napkin. And finally, for those moments when you need a quick fix for a loose button, grab a safety pin. Simply use the safety pin to fasten the button back in place, and you're good to go. Let's be real, high heels can make you feel super confident and glamorous. But let's be honest, they're not always the most comfortable shoes to wear, are they? Especially if you're going to be on your feet all day or dancing the night away. So, for this hack, I'm going to share my secret for making high heels more comfortable. Have you ever heard of taping your toes together? It might sound a bit strange, but trust me on this one. When you tape your third and fourth toes together using medical tape or even just regular Scotch tape, it helps to relieve pressure on the ball of your foot. Another tip is to invest in some good quality insoles. Gel insoles in particular are great for providing extra cushioning and support. And finally, don't forget to break in your shoes before wearing them for a long period of time. Wear them around the house for short periods to stretch them out a bit before you wear them out for a big event. Let's be real, there's nothing more annoying than your makeup melting or fading away halfway through the day, right? So for this hack, I'm going to share some of my top tips for making your makeup last longer. First up, always start with a clean and moisturized face. This will help to create a smooth canvas for your makeup. Once you've moisturized, apply a primer. Primer acts as a barrier between your skin and your makeup, and it can help to prevent your makeup from sliding around or sinking into your pores. Next, when it comes to foundation, a little goes a long way. Instead of applying a thick layer of foundation, use a light hand and build up coverage gradually. For eyeshadow, using an eyeshadow primer is key. It will help to prevent your eyeshadow from creasing or fading throughout the day. And finally, to keep your lipstick in place, try this blotting trick. After applying your lipstick, blot your lips with a tissue and then apply another layer of lipstick. Now it's time for some pampering. And what better way to pamper yourself than with a DIY face mask? This mask is super easy to make, and it's packed full of natural ingredients that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. For this mask, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients: honey, yogurt, and turmeric. To make the mask, simply combine 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a small bowl. Mix well until all of the ingredients are combined. Next, apply the mask to your clean, dry face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. And that's it! Your skin will be left feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. For best results, use this mask once or twice a week. We all have those days where we feel like we're stuck in a style rut, right? We reach for the same old outfits day after day, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a few simple styling tricks, you can easily elevate your everyday outfits and make them look more stylish and put together. And my favorite styling trick is one that you can use with any outfit, and it's completely free. It's all about paying attention to the details. For example, try rolling up your sleeves or cuffing your jeans. This will add a touch of effortless style to your look. Another easy trick is to tuck in your shirt. Whether you do a full tuck, a half tuck, or a front tuck, tucking in your shirt can help to define your waist and make your outfit look more polished. Adding a belt is another great way to add style and definition to your outfit. Belts can be both stylish and functional, helping to cinch in your waist and create a more flattering silhouette. Let's be real, untangling necklaces is the worst. It's so frustrating. So, for this hack, I'm going to share my favorite tip for organizing your jewelry. This hack is so simple, but it's a game changer. All you need is a straw. Simply thread the chain of your necklace through the straw and then clasp it closed. The straw will prevent the chain from getting tangled up with your other jewelry. Another great way to organize your jewelry is to use a jewelry box with compartments. This will help to keep your jewelry separated and organized. If you don't have a jewelry box, you can use small bowls or dishes to store your jewelry. Let's be real. I love trying out different hairstyles. But let's be honest, I don't always have a lot of time to spend on my hair. So, for this hack, I'm going to share some of my favorite quick and easy hairstyle changes that you can do in 5 minutes or less. First up is the messy bun. It's a classic for a reason. It's easy to do and it always looks chic and effortless. Simply gather your hair into a high ponytail and then twist it into a bun. Secure the bun with a hair tie and then pull out a few strands of hair around your face to frame it. Next, if you're looking for a hairstyle that's a little more polished, try a sleek low bun. To create a sleek low bun, start by brushing your hair back into a low ponytail. Secure the ponytail with a hair tie, and then twist the ponytail into a bun. Another one of my favorite quick and easy hairstyles is the half up, half down hairstyle. Simply gather the top half of your hair and secure it with a hair tie. And finally, if you're short on time, you can never go wrong with a simple ponytail. For a more polished look, try a high ponytail. For a more relaxed look, try a low ponytail. We all love a good fashion bargain, right? But sometimes it can feel impossible to keep up with the latest trends without breaking the bank. So, for my final hack, I'm going to share some of my top tips for shopping for clothes on a budget. First up, before you even start shopping, make a list of the items you need and stick to it. This will help you to avoid impulse purchases. And before you head to the shops, have a look in your wardrobe and see what you already have. You might be surprised at how many outfits you can put together with the clothes you already own. Next, one of the best ways to save money on clothes is to shop the sales. Most stores have sales throughout the year, so it's worth waiting for the sales to start before you buy anything. Another great way to save money on clothes is to shop secondhand. There are some amazing secondhand shops out there, and you can find some real hidden gems if you're willing to put in a bit of effort. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these hacks and found them helpful. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot of money to look and feel your best. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can elevate your beauty and fashion game without breaking the bank. If you love these hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.